Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number 24D25CN. This is your 5/8 replacement trailer hub stud with a cone nut for your 7K and 8K trailer axles. Let's check it out. All right, so this is part number 24D25CN. So it comes with your standard 5/8 by 18 cone nut on here, and your 5/8 trailer hub stud, typically found on 7K and 8K trailer axles like Carter Axles, Dexter, Lippard, and many other brands out there. Just always check your measurements to make sure it's correct. So we'll measure out this stud for you. So the overall length is going to be 3.02 inches, or might as well be 3 inches. The head on it is going to be 0.93 inches, identifying marks of 24D25. The knurled diameter, which is the most important part, because if this part is too small, it's going to fall right out of your hub, and if it's too big, you're going to have a really hard time pressing it in. So this is going to be 0.68 inches. So double check that measurement, 0.68. The actual thread length, we'll measure that as well. It's going to be about 1.5 inches, and it comes with your standard 5/8 cone lug nut. We sell these, you can buy one at a time, or we sell them, you can buy 8 at a time. We sell them in a bag of 100, 200, 400, 600. The more you buy, the more you save. And if you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.